Hi everybody, how is everything going on? Today we're gonna learn how we can remove the water stain and water sediments from our faucets, from the valves and the whatever you use in your home as a water facility. Okay, this is our outgoing of the dishwashing sink faucet, and as you see there are water sediments and water stain on it. As you see here, we are gonna need some anti-calcite powders such as this. For example, it's for dishwashing system and also for washing machines, and also as you see for dishwashing systems. Okay, now we have to put some of it inside the hot water bowl. Pour a little bit, not too much of this, and shake it well to be sure that it's all dissolved in the water, and put it inside the hot water. These are a little bit oily, look like. Be careful that you not touch your eyes, and it will cause significant damage to your eyes. Okay, be careful of putting materials which have chloride inside. They are not allowed to use without gloves and glasses and respiratory care devices. So we put it about 1 hour inside the bowl. Okay, now after several hours, about 2 hours, we put some white wine vinegar and take this faucet out and put it in the vinegar. And shake it well to be sure that every part is faced some vinegar. Now we have to put some baking soda inside the vinegar. Be careful, it should have some exhaust gas. Like this. This is how it works. It's not a big deal to touch it. The baking soda also kills any microbes, bacteria, and everything which is living in our faucet. It's very important to be careful about your health while you use something in your house, especially related to your eatings and drinkings. Okay, as you see, you can brush it a little bit here, just like this. You can brush it, and also remove the remaining sediments. Okay, it's of course, there are some remaining sediments inside the faucet, and by giving some stress to the structure, they all should be removed. Then wash it properly. And brush it again. Use it for your meals. I'm sorry. Again, wash it. See what happens. Okay. Because I didn't want to make too much stress by remaining in vinegar, I took it out a little bit earlier, but it's enough for me to show you how it looks like. As you see, it's clean enough. And you can use it again for about 6 months without any water, sediment, or stain. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.